Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1999 Toyota TownAce. It is 4x4. It has 38,001 original miles. It is powered by the reliable 3S FE 2.0 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. It does have the two doors up here in the front. It has one rear sliding door and one rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. This is just my sweater. We are in the South, so we have every season in one day. All right, as y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. The lights do go away as well. This vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles. The number that y'all are seeing down here, 61,175. That is the kilometers. The miles on it again is 38,001. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll start on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com. Or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. If you have any questions, we'd be happy to answer them for you. Hey, in the middle of the video right now? Okay. I did want to tell you guys, thank you so much for the continual support. We really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. It means a lot to us. Y'all have a blessed and safe day.